what is a correct or incorrect relationship between a single cell and the general body? That the cell obeys the body, and the body knows and feels all of its cells, and the way that they connect in it, and entirely build it. And if we want to learn from spirituality, then just like the structure of the cell are 10 parts that are ideally interconnected between them, mutually, the same way, the entire body, like a cell, consists of and includes 10 parts. Inside the body, there are different systems, like the nervous system, immune system, digestive system, breathing system. Why? In order to sustain this one system called the body, there are so many different systems. Why was it impossible to create it in a simpler way? Why so many systems, so many things, in order to eventually create one thing that functions properly? What we discover in this world is the result of the inner development, which is the soul, the spiritual part, the spiritual object, the spiritual body. And this soul, when it develops, it reaches a state where it cascades into the degrees of matter. And then it starts establishing itself in matter, in flesh, for example, on the animate level, and then the vegetative, and then the still. And these degrees of the animate, the vegetative, and the still are a result of the spiritual degree of the soul. And therefore, our corporeal body is built similarly to the structure of the soul. And if we want to correctly learn what's going on with the corporeal body, we have to learn about the soul. One of the principles you mentioned that seemed to me as very important in order to sustain a connected system is support. You said that between the parts that compose the body, there is no competition, but only support. How would you characterize this support, and why does it seem as something necessary in order to sustain a connected system? In nature, besides man, all the other systems, the still, the vegetative, and the animate, each level in and of itself works harmoniously, and also all these degrees, levels, work harmoniously between them, in consent and mutuality. But besides that, there's a system called Adam, literally meaning man in Hebrew, and this system is corrupted, and it projects these corrupted implications onto the rest of the degrees of nature, the still, the vegetative, and the animate.